my god, what's going on? There is no obstacle. You wanna do this too? You wanna make a new world record with just a simple code? Then you have clicked the right video. Now before we start, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it for more videos like these. Now let's get started. Google provides you the Dino Game when your device is not connected to internet, but you can play the Dino Game when your device is connected to a internet. To do that, type here Chrome //dino, then click on enter. Okay, now let's start it. See, there is obstacles on the path that prevents us to go forward. Now we are gonna remove these obstacles. To do that, right click the mouse button. Now click on inspect, then click on console. Now right here runner dot instance underscore dot game over space equal sign space first bracket close space equal sign getter sign space second bracket close and click on enter. Okay, it's done here. Now let's run the game and check it. Okay, see, the obstacles are not making any problems now, so you can run this game as much as you want. It will run automatically and you will make a new world record. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share.